Escabeche. This is a pickled jalapeno, carrot, onion, and garlic dish that I learned when I was down in Belize fishing a few years ago. These Belizeans had this stuff sitting around on the tables. They put it on eggs. They just ate it straight. I mean, this was some good stuff. So I decided to have them show me how to do it, and now I'm going to show you how to make this Escabeche pickled jalapeno dish. You're going to love this. And this is one of the more healthy things I make on Mama Mabel's Boy. So, to get started with, I had to buy all these ingredients. Well, I got to tell you something. It's not easy finding big bags of garlic cloves that are already peeled. I don't want to do that kind of stuff. And so I went to this store, Shamrock Distributor, and I wound up with this giant bag of garlic cloves. Well, I thought, okay, well, I might as well get some jalapenos. Well, I got a box of that, and then a huge bag of carrots, but I already had some onions. So I brought all this stuff home, and I started cleaning up the jalapenos. Well, as you can see, I'm wearing a mask now, and this mask was finally good for something. Man, these things are hot. They make me cough, gag, and everything, but I cut them in half, cleaned out the middle of them, cut some onions in some big pieces here, add a bunch of these garlic cloves, then combine that with some carrots. I use these little carrots like this. You could chop them into slices, which is what they did down in Belize, but these work just fine. Not bad. Well, the first thing we got to do here is I'm going to get my Chinese wok up to about a nice medium heat here and get some cooking oil in here. Now, while we're doing that, put up a mixture here of about half apple cider vinegar and water, and we're going to boil this in this stuff later on. So there's the apple cider vinegar, and we'll put water in there. And I'm going to go ahead and pour this in and kind of get that going back here in this big pot. 50% vinegar, 50% water, that should do it. Okay, let's get this over here and just put a piece of onion in to see how it works. Oh yeah, we're getting a nice sizzle. So we can go ahead now and get it all in there. Stand back because you do not want to get that grease in your eyes. So we'll start stirring this around. Obviously, you could stir this up in a skillet, but boy, you'd have to have a big skillet. This wok is great. I mean, those Chinese were up to something. I've had this wok for 15 years. It's well broken in. Just love it. Doesn't that have a nice color to it? Look at that. These onions will fall apart. All right, while that's in there, put some oregano on. Be generous with this. You can see now it's starting to reduce down and keep getting it off the bottom. See how this is getting nice and translucent here? And you can see over here that our water and vinegar is starting to get really hot, about to boil a little bit. Okay, let's turn the heat off here. I've got a slotted spoon. We're going to carefully put that in. All right, well, let's get this out of the way here. And we're gonna move this pot forward a little bit. I think you can see now we're getting it to a really good boil. And the way we're going to know this is done is when these carrots get kind of soft and not hard. So we'll give that a try here in a minute. Now, you might be worried about these jalapenos being too hot. Well, notice I took the seeds out earlier and the membranes. When you do that, that'll leave just a little bit of heat in there, but it's going to make it very delicious and something that shouldn't just knock you on your rear end when you take a bite. Okay, let's move this over here, set it down, let it cool. And then when it cools down, we're gonna put it in some jars, and you can keep this around for several months in the fridge and bring it out when you want to eat. Okay, here we go. Let's get this ready for prime time. Put some in a little serving dish here. All that nice color in there. And then let's get some here in a jar. These are little curd jars here. Now this is not canning, but this stuff, like I said, will keep in the fridge for a long, long time. I mean, several months actually. So let's get that in there. Doesn't this look nice? A beautiful thing. I think it's a nice color, and it's kind of something unusual to serve your guests or just to have around the house. Now, like I said, there's all kinds of things you can do with this jalapeno stuff, but how about some nice chips and cheese, a little sausage there. And let's put some of this on here. How's that look, guys? I'm gonna tell you right now, you're not gonna get any nachos better than this stuff. And let's just top that off with a little scoop of sour cream. Right in the middle of that. That's nachos, baby. You're not gonna get them any better than that in any store that I know about. Well, a clean kitchen is a happy kitchen. I think this kitchen's pretty clean today. Enjoy this. Adios and yum yum.